Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own Solana meme coin, get people to buy in, and then pull all the SOL from the liquidity pool straight into your wallet. And trust me, this whole thing takes around 20 to 30 minutes max from start to finish. Before we start, I'm also doing a giveaway. I'm sending one SOL to 25 people. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, drop your Solana wallet in the comments, and share this video with 5 friends. Super simple, full details are in the pinned comment. All right, let's jump into it. First, I'm heading over to Photon. I want to show you something real quick. I'm filtering for pump phone tokens here, and look at this. New coins are popping up every couple of seconds. It's insane. You launch something here, and within 30 seconds, your token's already buried under 10 others. Total chaos. Now, let me switch the filter to Radian tokens instead. See the difference? Way fewer coins being launched, much slower pace, and that's perfect for us. Less competition, more visibility, and more eyes on our token. This is exactly the kind of environment we want. Before we actually create anything though, we need a good meme coin idea, something catchy, fun, maybe even a little ridiculous. I usually go to Deck Screener for inspiration. I check the trending tab first to see which tokens have the biggest trading volumes and market taps. You can also check the top tokens tab, but honestly, doing this manually every time gets boring fast. Scrolling through endless coins, thinking of names, designing logos, and just eats up time. So to skip all of that, I'm heading straight to rugbot.ai. This is where I actually create my tokens. The cool part is they have an AI feature that handles all the creative stuff for you. Once I'm on Rugbot, I click Create Token, and then I hit the Ask AI button to generate a meme coin idea. Okay, this one right here looks solid. Catchy name, decent logo, I'm going with this. Mixed up on enabling the liquidity option, make sure this is checked because it makes your token tradable and sets up the initial liquidity pool to attract buyers. I've allocated 3 SOL for the liquidity pool, so I'm entering that here. The more liquidity you add here, the better. People trust tokens with bigger pools and it helps your coin perform better early on. Now I'm also enabling the market maker box, and this part is super important. I'm adding 3 SOL here for the market maker budget. Don't worry, this money is 100% risk-free and you can fully withdraw it later, just like your liquidity. Also, make sure you copied my exact market maker settings for the best results. What the bot does is use that budget to place random buy and sell orders from different wallets, which makes the token look active and growing. When people see that, they're much more likely to start buying into. Clicking next and then create token, it's asking you confirm the transaction, so I'll approve that real quick. Transaction sent. Now I copy the transaction ID and paste it back into the sites. Give it a few seconds and boom, token created. Let's go to the portfolio page to check it out. Yep, there it is, and look at that, we're already getting buyers. People are jumping in just based on the chart and the name. This is honestly the fun part. I just let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and watch the liquidity pool grow. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes and the pool is already at around 30 SOL. Not bad for a token I watched less than half an hour ago. Time to withdraw the liquidity. I click Withdraw Liquidity, paste in my wallet address, and hit Withdraw. Done. Liquidity's gone from the pool. Let's check my wallet. Boom, there's the 30 SOL sitting right there. That's about 6.7K in under 20 minutes. And that's it. From start to finish, we launched a token, let it run, and walk away with almost $7,000. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enter the giveaway if you haven't yet. Details are in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.